Hello friends, KSS means KUKA system software is the linchpin of the entire control system for most KUKA industrial robots, including traditional 6-axis robots and SCARA robots. As an operating system, it contains all the key features required to run a robot system. These include, for example, data and user management, path planning and I/O management. Target group. This documentation is aimed at users with the following knowledge and skills: advanced knowledge of the robot controller system, advanced KRL programming skills. For optimal use of our products, we recommend that our customers take part in a course of training at KUKA College. Information about the training program can be found at www.kuka.com or can be obtained directly from our subsidiaries. Industrial robots documentation. The industrial robot documentation consists of the following parts: documentation for the manipulator, documentation for the robot controller, operating and programming instructions for the KUKA system software, documentation relating to options and accessories, parts catalog on storage medium. Each of these sets of instruction is a separate document. Representation of warnings and notes. Safety. These warnings are relevant to safety and must be observed. Danger. These warnings mean that it is certain or highly probable that death or severe physical injury will occur if no precautions are taken. Warning. These warnings mean that death or severe physical injury may occur if no precautions are taken. Caution. These warnings mean that minor physical injury may occur if no precautions are taken. Notice. These warnings mean that damage to property may occur if no precautions are taken. These warnings contain reference to safety relevant information or general safety measures. These warnings do not refer to individual hazards or individual precautionary measures. Notes. These hints serve to make your work easier or contain reference to further information. Tip to make your work easier or reference to further information.